Something that I think that makes our students here at CNU so special is there is a true curiosity to learn. Students are interested in asking questions. And having been in different places throughout my career and having had the opportunity to work with graduates from a variety of schools, I can say that there is a known understanding of CNU students in the sense that when a CNU student crosses your path, whether it be for an internship or for a career, you know that you are getting someone who's committed to learning, committed to applying what it is that they have learned in the classroom. They come into different spaces with a knowledge that is grounded in curiosity, and they're dedicated to critical thought. And you know, when you ask a CNU student to do something, the bar's gonna be here and the CNU student is gonna go here. One of the benefits of being both an administrator of our leader development program as well as in the classroom is having a unique ability to both teach students leadership, which is incredible, the fact that you can teach leadership. What really is important there is you can learn leadership. Essentially, our President's Leadership Program is like a lab. It's a lab complement to the in-classroom study of leadership. And so being able to join students in the classroom, teaching them as they learn about leadership, and then providing them opportunity outside of the classroom to practice that is one of the ways that I believe both leadership studies and the President's Leadership Program transform our students to become members of society who engage in leading positive change within their communities.